Describe the end behavior for the polynomial. They give you a polynomial to the third degree, to the third power, and we need to be able to find what we call the end behavior. How does it behave on the left hand side and on the right hand side as x approaches negative infinity or x approaches positive infinity? Now remember, the one that's going to be determining the end behavior is the one with the largest exponent, and in this case is negative 2x to the third. This number is going to become a huge negative number or a huge positive number, where these ones are not going to make a difference on your answer. So let's go through the answers. It says, as x approaches negative infinity, what happens to the value of f of x? So you want to plug in a huge negative number. So let's go and plug in a negative 1,000. So I'm going to plug in on to the first. The other ones are just going to be pennies compared to this huge number. It's not going to make a big difference. So therefore we have a negative 2. Instead of the x, I'm going to plug in a negative 1,000 since it's negative infinity. If you want to plug in a bigger number, you can. And to the power of 3. Negative 1,000 to the third power is negative 1,000 times a negative times a negative. Your answer is going to be negative. Negative, a huge number, times a negative 2 is going to become a positive huge number. So therefore, it's going to approach positive infinity. So that's not it. So let's try letter B. As x approaches negative infinity, it's going to approach positive infinity, and that's correct. Let's try letter C. As x approaches negative infinity, the function approaches negative infinity. No, approaches positive infinity. So that's incorrect. As x approaches negative infinity, the function approaches positive infinity. That's correct. Second line. As x approaches positive infinity, what does the value of f of x approaches? So let's go and plug in a huge positive number. That'll be negative 2. I'm going to plug in a positive 1,000 to the power of 3. 1,000, since it's positive to the third power, is going to give you a positive number times a negative 2. Negative times a positive will be a negative number. Negative huge number, so it'll be negative infinity. So therefore that's correct. As f of x approaches positive infinity, does it approach positive infinity? No, it approaches negative infinity. So your answer is letter B.